Mathematics 3. Ordinal numbers. Q1 Week 6. Day 1. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to describe the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 100th. What are ordinal numbers? Numbers that are used to represent the rank or position of an object or a person are known as ordinal numbers. They are also referred to as positioning or ranking numbers. How to write ordinal numbers. Steps to write ordinal numbers. Start with a number. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add the correct ending, suffix. For 1, add st, first. For 2, add nd, second. For 3, add rd, third. For all other numbers, add th, fourth, fifth, sixth. Be careful with special numbers like 11, 12, 13. Even though they end in 1, 2, and 3, they use th, 11th, 12th, 13th. The shapes are ordered from left to right. Tell the shape that is at the third position. Tell the shape that is at the first position. Tell the shape that is at the fourth position. Tell the shape that is at the seventh position. Tell the shape that is at the second position. Tell the shape that is at the eighth position. Tell the shape that is at the sixth position. Tell the shape that is at the fifth position. Grade 3 Matatag children are going on a study trip. They are lining up to board the bus. Here are the first 10 children. Look closely at the illustration. Who is at the second position? Who is at the first position? Who is at the fourth position? Who is at the eighth position? Who is at the third position? Who is at the 10th position? Here is the second group of 10 learners lining up. Who is at the 19th position? Who is at the 11th position? Who is at the 13th position? Who is at the 15th position? Who is at the 18th position? Who is at the 20th position? Here is the second group of 10 learners lining up.